Pink. It means gulopia in Assamese, and it means gulabi in Hindi. Saffron. It means gerua in Assamese, and it means kesriya in Hindi, or bhagwa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rupankar sir. Today we are going to discuss about some colors name in English, Assamese and Hindi. Red. Red. It means ronga in Assamese. Ronga. And it means lal in Hindi. Lal. Blue. Blue. It means nila in Assamese. Nila. And it means nila in Hindi. Nila. Yellow. Yellow. It means halodhya in Assamese. Halodhya. And it means pila in Hindi. Pila. Green. Green. It means heuzia in Assamese. Heuzia. And it means hara in Hindi. Hara. Black. Black. It means kola in Assamese. Kola. And it means kala in Hindi. Kala. White. White. It means boga in Assamese. Boga. And it means safed in Hindi. Safed. Pink. Pink. It means gulopia in Assamese. Gulopia. And it means gulabi in Hindi. Gulabi. Saffron. Saffron. It means gerua in Assamese. Gerua. And it means kesriya in Hindi. Kesriya. Or bhagwa. Bhagwa. Orange. Orange. It means komola in Assamese. Komola. And it means narangi in Hindi. Narangi. Brown. Brown. It means motia in Assamese. Motia. That means muga boronia. And it means bhura in Hindi. Bhura. Violet. Violet. It means bengunia in Assamese. Bengunia. And it means bengani in Hindi. Bengani. Golden. Golden. It means hunali in Assamese. Hunali. And it means sunhara in Hindi. Sunhara. That's all for today. Let me know how you like this video by commenting and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.